Pumpkin pies. These are my dairy-free pumpkin pies made with coconut cream and coconut condensed milk. They are delicious, but look at this one. I put foil on top to keep the crust from burning, as well as this one, and they got, well, the foil stuck basically. So with the other ones, I put foil around the sides of the crust, and it took forever. I just got lazy with the last two and threw a piece of foil on top, and it damaged my beautiful pies. This just in, there's a buck in the surrounding area. There's a buck in the surrounding area. Keep a watch out. All right, we've got all of the bread cubed up and baked to dry out. We've got seasonings in there: sage, thyme, rosemary, parsley, salt, pepper, all the good stuff. And then we're just going to pour over this chicken broth with this onion and celery mixture. Voila. And we're gonna give it a good mix, add 2 eggs, and stuff the turkey. We interrupt this important programming with this update. There is a buck in the yard. That's right, bucks are in the rut. There's a buck in the yard.
I thought when you get cut, ow, my finger is.
You didn't cut yourself, did you?
No.
Thank you all for doing these potatoes.
You're welcome.
Dad's got the little kids. They went for a Thanksgiving Day drive to go find a turkey. So Mom and the Bigs are getting
We have actually 2.
Mhm.
No. If we get nothing.
So we've got a turkey in the roaster back there, and they're gonna peel these potatoes. They got a system going. We are going to cut up the potatoes and then cook the potatoes so we can mash the potatoes.
And then have gravy.
And then
we have to make gravy, and then we have to make cranberry sauce, and then we have to make Brussels sprouts. We have to prep the Brussels.
We don't have to do Brussels sprouts today.
Thank you.
We can do we can do something easy like green beans and corn or something. We'll figure it out. We'll do something easy for the rest of the meal. I think after we get this done and everything else that we've already done, that it's okay if we take the easy route on the veggies.
That's cool.
We do need to probably do the cranberry sauce with the mango.
I'll wash them.
The mango cranberry sauce.
The mango.
So now you should try it.
I
for
know.
myself.
I just don't.
Yeah, it's okay.
This what?
Okay.
It smells.
All right. We are gonna make some punch. We need some. Do we have any frozen juice anywhere? I forgot to get it from the store. The first thing we do is add, or do we have any kind of juice over there?
Yeah.
Fruit?
Mixed fruit! I think that's enough. You okay?
And then do you just mash all that up?
No. That would be like one smoothie.
I don't want it to blood.
Fucking blood.
I said blood.
Can you try some?
And a
I'm
slice
gonna
of
try cups. And throw this in the trash.
Okay.
Voila. Yep, those are perfect. You guys can have a glass of punch now. This evening?
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Mmm. The foam.
Here.
Oops.
Careful.
Show Daddy how you drink it. Use the spot too. Gosh.
You can give them all this one.
You want to know what I did? I did not brine this turkey, and I failed to salt and pepper it. I did use the new poultry seasoning on it, but I did not season it with salt. Can you guys believe it? I stuffed it full of stuffing that was seasoned. Oh, bless. Here we go. I'm salting it now.
This is a roux. This is butter and flour. And then we add the gravy, the drippings to it. Got pies on pies on pies, some dinner rolls, a huge thing of cranberry sauce because I'm gonna can up some of this real nice like and save it for like the next time we have turkey, and cranberries are in season, so we went ahead and added mango to that and made like a mango cranberry sauce jam stuff. We're gonna put it on our oatmeal and all kinds of good stuff. And then right here we've got some corn and we've got some gravy. Gravy's cooking. It's getting thick. Thickening up maybe. We might have to add some cornstarch to that. Not sure yet. Then back here we've got our what's left of the stuffing balls. The kids ate most of them. And then I think I might throw these in the, heat these up. And the kids can try some French style green beans. They don't like regular green beans, but we'll give these a whirl too. We still need to make the mashed potatoes. And then this is all of the turkey. Erin is taking care of that for us. I think I just burned my hair on the stove. Got my braid in the fire. Beautiful turkey. I forgot to salt the turkey. Let it be known. Mistakes were made.
No.
Can you pour me some ginger ale?
No.
Thank you.
Oh, I love my
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh dear.
He took his fork and did that.
You want some juice in it too, Katie?
Yes, please. That sounds amazing.
He's a bad boy. No.
All right. So we've got gravy, cranberry sauce, fruit punch, green beans, corn rolls, all the fixings. Erin's mashed potatoes. Hagen's got a beautiful pumpkin pie back there. Happy Thanksgiving.
My rolls. Happy Thanksgiving.
You guys ready to feast?
Yeah.
All right. What are we thankful for?
Oh, me.
Yes, Riker, go first.
Okay. I'm thankful for everything.
In your face.
Hagen, what are you thankful for?
Don't ever say that.
Being alive, having a family, having siblings, a roof over my head, and food. And clothes. I'm thankful for
Riker, sit, bud.
having a family, have siblings, having food, have clothes to wear. Have food to eat, have clothes to wear, and a roof over my head. Basically everything I said. And then my dawn.
All right, what are you thankful for?
The phone's over the gravy. You sure you want to do that?
Nice.
Bogey for playing with me.
Oh, that's very nice. I'm thankful for mommy.
Cheese, is that for?
Taters.
All right, Bodie, what are you thankful for?
Say berries.
What are you thankful for? Say family.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Say turkey.
I love mashed potatoes.
You have some cheese on them?
Mashed potatoes.
Say deer.
I don't
Say
like
bug.
Yeah, the turkey.
Annika, mashed
You're
taters?
grateful for
All right,
bugs.
we're gonna eat.
What?
Walk to the table. Good job. You're doing so good.
Why is Woody in 2 pieces?
Because he and Annika had little half pieces. And if they ate all their half pieces, I give them another little half. If you have leftover dough from your Thanksgiving, or you have dough in your freezer, just make your kiddos some pizzas. We're gonna just do some little pieces. Look, Bodie, you see what Mommy's got? Okay, so we're just taking some pepperoni, some cheese, some more cheese. Mozzarella. We just close it all up.
Mozzarella.
And then we're gonna put our, what is this? 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 What is this?
It's like making a little dumpling.
Twist it. Put back down. Next. And then we're just gonna keep on doing the process. And then I'll probably need to grab a little bit more cheese.
Are these pizzas?
Yeah, we're not gonna do all of them, but we're gonna do. Because we want some to be plain so we can do like turkey. We gotta do our turkey rolls that we've got some turkey meat left over, so we're gonna have some plain rolls. So we just close them up, give them a little twist to seal them off,
Like a
and
dumpling.
then set them down. Down here, you want some cheese? Here, Riker, open this. I can't, my hands are too greasy. The top. Here, Bodie, look. You want some more cheese? Here's a piece of...
He's into everything.
We made some plain rolls for the kids that don't want the pizza rolls, and then the pizza rolls we sprinkled on some Parmesan Romano cheese on top. Well, we put butter on it and then the Parmesan Romano. And then I'm gonna have leftover turkey and stuffing and all of that good stuff, and everybody else is gonna have pizza rolls. They've already had cucumber pickles and melon, and we have some pineapple that we're gonna cut up, so we're gonna have fruit and pizza rolls for this post-Thanksgiving dinner. We've got this beautiful long blonde hair, but we are going to give it the old snippy snip, aren't we? Yeah. We're gonna cut off her hair. She wants it cut, so we're gonna take off some length. I don't know how much. We're probably gonna lower that and maybe take it down to there. All right, and we are done. We gave her a cute little bob.
That's a bob.
It's just, it's just what we call it when we cut the hair.
Guess what?
So she's got herself a cute little bob,
You don't
and
have to-
hopefully it's easier to brush. We did this when Hagen was about 3. Annika's a good year older, but her hair just mats up so instantly. This beautiful, beautiful golden blonde hair that is now gone. My mother never let me cut my hair, and my mom would trim it, but she would never, ever, ever cut off this much hair. But Hagen, let's show him your hair. You know, just spin around. Hagen, we cut her hair like maybe a year ago or so, up to here, and it's already grown that much. So their hair grows remarkably fast, and now Hagen wants her hair cut, so we're gonna figure out if we're gonna cut Hagen's hair into a bob or not. How you feel about your nails?
Then we did a Bogo towel and a leash.
And a what? A leash? Oh, a Barco collar and a leash?
Yeah.